Model, 2017 Fiat Doblo Combo 16V Maxi Multijet ULEZ compliant turbo needs replacing grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131795. MOT, 14 January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 263 A8000. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will run if you disconnect the turbo has seized and is not spinning or letting an exhaust gases escape, the turbo will need repairing or replacing, then this will be an excellent running. Little ULEZ compliant van, well worth spending the time to get this back on the road. Easy job if you know what you're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean.